Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook chicken mechado. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. Salt, black peppers, tomato sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cubes, and then the chicken I marinated with soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper, and then bay leaf, and then garlic powder. Okay, so we need water also, carrots, potatoes, bell pepper, tomatoes, garlic, onions, and spring onion. We're gonna put the chicken first. Well, let this one cook first, and then place it over, and then we're gonna proceed to the next step. Okay, so we're gonna sit aside the bakbak in a few minutes, and then sit aside, and then now we're gonna saute the garlic. And then we're gonna saute the onions, tomatoes, slice the spring onions, the carrots and potatoes, and as well as the bell pepper. By the way guys, we need cheese also. I think green cheese guys. Like there's a soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper, garlic powder, bay leaf. Okay. We're gonna put back the chicken. Okay. Okay guys, so we're gonna put the chicken, the water. Oh, the tomato sauce. Guys, look at the one. And then guys, we're gonna return. We're gonna simmer this one for how many minutes? Until the chicken is cooked. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it a bit. So maybe we don't need cubes. We just wait later if how salty it is. Okay. So we'll be right back. Guys, look at our chicken mechado. It's done guys. By the way, I add a tablespoon of sugar. Okay. And now it's done. So this one. Earlier I add also bell pepper, and this one another bell pepper. It's tasting time. Okay, I wanna taste the carrots, and then a little chicken. Okay, and then carrots, and then potatoes. Kami guys. Potatoes. It's yummy. Okay guys, so that's our chicken mechado is done. It's super yummy. Hey guys, and then thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye. That's the chicken mechado.